Hi everybody, my name is Michael Simpson and I'm the safety advisor here on the Buchanan robotics team. Key element to safety in our shop is our clothing. Here we have an appropriate shoe type to wear in the shop. Anything that is closed or has mostly covered is appropriate to wear. Anything like sandals and flip-flops should not be worn in the shop. Pants are very important in shop safety because flying metal parts can hit your legs if you're only wearing shorts. So always remember to wear pants while in the shop. If you're wearing jackets, you must remember to tuck in the little strings that hang down from your hood. And also tuck in your hood if it's too long. And lastly, we have your hair and or hats. Hats are allowed in the shop as long as they're not falling off or have loose things hanging off. Long hair should always be kept up in either a bun or a ponytail to be kept out of the way of machines and parts. Today I'll be taking you through a tour on our shop here on campus. So our number one rule here in the shop is always wear your safety glasses. No matter what you're doing in the shop, you should always have them on to be safe. Here when you enter the shop, on the left, we have our safety glasses rack. So always remember to get your safety glasses when you enter. As we come further into the shop, on my left, we will see our workbench. This is our commonly used workspace, which is usually covered in materials, so it can be dangerous at times dependent on what we're working on. As we move further into the shop, we will see some of our more high-tech machines that can be dangerous if you don't know how to handle them. Wearing your safety glasses is very important while using these machines because bits of metal can be sent flying while using them. Here is one commonly used machine that we usually teach to freshmen that can be very dangerous if you do not wear your safety glasses. The safety glasses are extremely important along with other safety procedures while using this machine because it is very easy to get hurt if you do not know what you're doing. A few more machines here we have in the shop can be also very dangerous, as in our router. This router can send metal flying very easily, so it is very important to be wearing eye protection and hearing protection while running this machine. And finally, we have the lathe here across the shop that sends long metal strips into the air while working on it. It is extremely important to know how to handle this machine if you're going to run it. That's all for today's tour, and remember everybody, stay safe.